Maximize your drive with REDTIGER Dashcam. Imagine capturing every moment of your journey in crisp 4K resolution. The REDTIGER Dashcam features front and rear cameras with 170 degrees and 140 degrees wide angles, minimizing blind spots. Whether it's road signs or license plates, every detail is recorded for your peace of mind. Drive confidently, day or night. With cutting-edge night vision technology and a supercapacitor for extreme temperatures, this Dashcam ensures seamless performance even in challenging lighting or weather conditions. Protect your vehicle and loved ones at all times. Control your Dashcam with ease using the built-in Wi-Fi and REDTIGER app. View, download, or share your unforgettable road trip moments instantly, because staying connected to what matters has never been simpler. Equipped with GPS tracking, loop recording, and a reliable parking mode, the REDTIGER Dashcam locks important recordings automatically in the event of accidents or collisions. Parking your car? Enjoy added safety with continuous surveillance, offering complete security for your vehicle. Backed by a 2-year warranty and a 32 GB memory card included, this Dashcam is a perfect blend of quality and convenience. With over 11,000 happy customers, the REDTIGER Dashcam is the ultimate choice for modern car owners. Experience the future of driving safety today. Visit Amazon.com to grab your REDTIGER Dashcam and drive worry-free from here on out. Stay secure, stay smart.